Shop a Bashco, don't a Bashco.
Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Morning. Alright. Guys, my mom going to town and it's very hard to get a taxi which part we live. So we have to walk. So we can find it. Eh? The taxi man. But probably not go. So. Well, and that can't. It's just too small in the back there, so. But I thought I said can't be. Oh gosh. I'm vlogging now. It's fine, you know. They're not vlogging. It looks fancy. Where is press on that now? Oh boy. Guys, now I'm going to the rest of the mix to vlog. So better when I reach in a town. If I got here to vlog when I reach in a town. I can never vlog good yet when I'm in a public spaces. So let's see how it goes this time around. Can you pretty nice? Don't look like nobody nice. Empty. Aren't we blessed? Yeah. I'm still part of far. Yeah.
Morning.
Morning.
Morning. Yeah, ready to go.
Kiss it on.
Oh.
No?
By the side, back of this.
Really?
Yeah, man, I read there, top there.
Okay.
Yeah, man, we carry them for morning time.
Alright.
Yeah, watch the door. Get to the door, so there you can see them. One second, take up two shovel there to put in our bucket, yeah?
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, see my beautiful wonderful face. As I always love to say in my videos, I am Sasha. Thank you so much for clicking on this video for today and for joining. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for sticking by me and supporting your girl. I really do appreciate the love and the support you've all been giving me. So yeah, the initial thought of this video was to sit down properly. The initial thought of this video was to vlog. My mom wanted to run an errand and she asked if I wanted to accompany her, and I said yes. So I said in my mind, let me see if I could vlog all of this. But I was so caught up in the moment, I didn't vlog most of what was going on, especially when I went into Bashco. I wanted to record what was taking place, what I purchased, you know, those type of shopping vlogs you watch when you're in the store. But I can't find myself to do that. For one, I don't know if Bashco allows you to vlog in their stores. I see other YouTubers from Jamaica that went into Bashco and they're telling them not to vlog in there, so I didn't want to run the risk. And because I was caught up in the moment, like, you know, when you're in the store and you see all these type of things and you're looking, checking the prices, I even forget some if you did vlog, to be honest. So I just want to make up for that, and just because I haven't been posting for a while, if you're in Jamaica, if you're watching this from Jamaica, as you know, the rain has been ongoing for about 2 weeks now, or a week, about 2 weeks now. So the weather, the sky is gloomy, and I rely on the natural sunlight to do my videos. I don't own a ring light as yet, so I wasn't able to execute my video ideas during those 2-week period. So I don't feel good not having any videos to post. So I said to myself, why not just do a little mini haul. I didn't go in the shop to buy a lot of stuff. It was just one item, and you can't believe I'm gonna come up with 3 other items with it. But it isn't nothing grand, you know. It is about $800 worth. I think, yeah, it's about $800. So these are the items that I got. I'm not going to prolong this video any further. First thing I got was this silicone mold, this popsicle maker. So I have a video idea where I'm going to make some popsicles, and I wanted some molds. I was thinking of ordering a mold, but when I went into Bashco and seen them, and they were very cheap, 300 Jamaican dollars. Like, if you're in Jamaica, you know, it's a Bashco, and at the store you can find very affordable stuff, which is why I love to go in there. Anything to do with my baking, I love to go in there to get the items. So I got these silicone molds to, you know, help with the idea that I'm going to come up with, if God's will, that is. So yeah, I got these silicone molds. That's not why I went in there, to be honest. The spatula that I normally would use, it isn't able to use anymore. I won't go into details as to what happened. So I needed a spatula. That's the only thing I went in there for, and I got more stuff. You know those type of ways you have when you're going to a shop, you're going there for 1 something, and you come up back with 10 something, but it's not 10 something for me, it's 3 other things with it, you understand? So I got these Smart Cook spatulas. Well, I noticed in Bashco there's a lot of Smart Cook brand, a lot of stuff from Smart Cook. So the brand isn't bad because I own quite a lot of things from Smart Cook, and I still have them. It all depends on how you care and use your stuff, of course. But I remember buying silicone. I don't know if it was from Smart Cook, but I remember purchasing some silicone spatulas, and they mildew easily. So I was afraid to get these. I couldn't find the green spatula like the one I had, because the green one that I had, I purchased it in Bashco as well, but I could not find it. So the only ones I saw was this, and then a gigantic one. Like, what do I do with that? So I got these instead. So let's see how well they work. I love these, and you got 3, and it's what, let me see the price. I don't remember how much it was. $250. This is $250. 250 Jamaican dollars, about $1 US or $2 US. And I got a whisk. I got a balloon whisk. The whisk that I have, the handle part is very skinny. I want something to grip. So when I'm like whisking, like eggs or whisking, what else do I whisk? Meringue? Well, still egg, but you get the gist. So I wanted a balloon spatula for quite some time, and I finally got it. So this was about $210. So it's cheaper than the spatula. Oh well, you know, So this is also from Smart Cook. So a balloon spatula. Did I say spatula? Whisk. I'm going too fast. Last but not least, I got these plastic containers to put my ice cream mixture. So when I finish making my ice cream, I'll just put it in here and store it in the freezer. And yeah, these were $55, very cheap, you know, plastic. So yeah, forgive me if I'm not saving the hurt and so forth. I know people said the plastic and yeah. Okay, so this was the receipt. So all of these items were a total of $870. I know this video isn't much because it isn't a grand haul, but it's what I was well, as I said before, over and over, I didn't go in there for the other stuff than the spatulas and end up getting more than that. So yeah, this is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'm very appreciative of all the love and the support that I've been getting, to everybody that's been tuning into my videos, that have been subscribing, that have been commenting. You know, it really warms my heart to know that a girl that has a passion for baking would attract people to our channel, even if it's 100 people, 10 people, 5 people, 2. It doesn't matter, to know that I'm doing something that I love and people are drawn to it, especially with God at the center of it all. I'm so appreciative. Thank you guys so much. I'm seeing everybody that comments and that, you know, show me that they're supporting. I really appreciate you all. Those are my day ones. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. And what else did I have to say? As I was saying about the weather, because of the weather, I was planning to do some videos, but it didn't go as planned. As I said, my device records things very gloomy when the sun isn't out, so I didn't want to give it that quality. Right now you can see the quality isn't the best, but you know, you have to start from somewhere before you get somewhere, as I always like to say. I don't know if you see the sense in that, but you have to start from somewhere, so I can look back and say, oh, look at when I was doing YouTube and I used to use this phone starting off, or I used to use my chartboard stand as a tripod. You know, these are the little stuff that helps you to look back as to where you're coming from. Yeah, I've been rambling too much. Should I get dry? Yeah, thank you again, guys, so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Bye, guys. I don't know where the energy I come from. Bye, guys. So this is just a behind the scene footage of me trying to make my own version of ice cream without egg nor heavy cream. So I substitute the heavy cream with evaporated milk just to see how well it would turn out, and without the egg. I already did it using evaporated milk, but I also used egg in my first ever video when I made ice cream. So at this time I just use the milk, sugar, evaporated milk, my clear vanilla, but I had to use some regular vanilla, the brown kind, because the clear vanilla didn't taste, you know, strong in the mixture. And yeah, I don't think I leave anything out in the ingredients, and a pinch of salt, and that's it. Then I stirred everything and chilled it in the freezer because our fridge is not working. And then now turn on my ice cream machine, pour the mixture into my machine, of course, after turning it on. Why the heck, why can't I say it? Okay, so after about 10 minutes, as you can see by the timer, ta-da, that's how it looks. I got the consistency of ice cream, which I'm proud of. So now it's time to pour it into a plastic container, and as you can see, I started to use what I bought today. I used the whisk, I use the 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 molds, the icicle molds, and I use this plastic container to store the ice cream in, and my spatula. So I basically use almost everything. So this is how it looks. Don't mind the messiness, guys. So yeah, it turned out pretty well. In the end, I wasn't so loving the taste of this evaporated milk because it's a different brand, but overall it was great in texture. It was not too sweet. It was so good, I'm not going to lie. Go and taste it, guys. It's been a while since I made ice cream using condensed evaporated milk. Sorry. Is it? So I felt like I needed to give you guys a review of how it turned out. So the icicle molds that I purchased isn't the best because the icicles kept breaking halfway, as you can see, and it looks so sad, but yet it is so tasty. Like, it's so soft in texture, aside from the icicle mold not doing its thing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy the video that I did today. So until next time, bye guys.